Key life lessons we overlook until it's too late. Life is a series of lessons, many of which we learn only after experiencing setbacks, regrets, or missed opportunities. While each person's journey is unique, there are certain truths that most of us tend to overlook until the consequences force us to pay attention. These lessons, often learned the hard way, can transform how we live, work, and relate to others, if only we recognize their importance sooner. This guide delves into key life lessons that are commonly ignored or undervalued until it's too late. By exploring these insights, you can make more intentional decisions and create a fulfilling, meaningful life. One, time is your most valuable resource. The overlooked truth. Many of us treat time as though it's infinite. We procrastinate, waste hours on distractions, and postpone meaningful actions for someday. But time is the one resource you can never get back once it's gone. Why it's often realized too late. People often realize the value of time when faced with life-changing events, aging, health issues, or losing a loved one. In hindsight, they regret not spending more time on meaningful pursuits. How to apply this lesson? Prioritize your time. Focus on what truly matters: relationships, passions, and personal growth. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to activities or people that drain your time without adding value. Be present. Practice mindfulness. To savor the moment instead of constantly worrying about the past or future. 2. Health is your true wealth. The overlooked truth. We often take our health for granted until we face illness or physical limitations. Many prioritize careers, comfort foods, or habits like smoking, only to realize later that these choices come at a cost. Why it's often realized too late. Health issues often arise gradually, making it easy to ignore early warning signs. When serious problems develop, reversing the damage can be difficult or impossible. How to apply this lesson? Adopt preventive habits. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and get enough sleep. Listen to your body. Pay attention to early signs of stress or illness and address them promptly. Balance work and rest. Avoid overworking yourself at the expense of your well-being. 3. Relationships matter more than achievements. The overlooked truth. In pursuing success, we often neglect the people closest to us. Jobs, goals, and personal ambitions precede nurturing relationships with family, friends, and partners. Why it's often realized too late. People frequently reflect on their lives in moments of crisis or loss, realizing that their achievements feel hollow without meaningful connections. How to apply this lesson? Invest in relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones and show appreciation for them. Communicate openly. Resolve conflicts. And express your feelings before it's too late. Focus on presence over perfection. Your loved ones value your time and attention more than grand gestures. 4. Failure is a teacher, not a punishment. The overlooked truth. Fear of failure often holds us back from pursuing dreams or taking risks. We view setbacks as evidence of inadequacy rather than as opportunities to grow. Why it's often realized too late. Only after experiencing failure do many people understand its lessons: resilience, creativity, and adaptability. Unfortunately, they may have missed other opportunities due to fear by then. How to apply this lesson? Redefine failure. View setbacks as stepping stones to success rather than dead ends. Learn from mistakes. Reflect on what went wrong and use those insights to improve. Take calculated risks. Don't let the fear of failing stop you from chasing your goals. 5. Happiness is in the journey, not the destination. The overlooked truth. Many believe happiness will come after achieving a particular milestone, a promotion, a degree, or a financial goal. In doing so, we delay joy for an uncertain future. Why it's often realized too late. People often achieve their goals only to feel empty, realizing they sacrificed their well-being and happiness. How to apply this lesson? Practice gratitude. Appreciate what you have now rather than constantly chasing the next thing. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress, even if it's incremental. Find joy in daily life. Engage in activities that bring fulfillment, whether or not they contribute to your long-term goals. 6. Your comfort zone is a trap. The overlooked truth. Staying within your comfort zone feels safe, but often leads to stagnation, growth, and self-discovery. happen when you challenge yourself and embrace the unknown. Why it's often realized too late. Many people realize they've missed opportunities for growth, adventure, and self-improvement because they were too afraid to step outside their comfort zones. How to apply this lesson. Take small steps. Gradually expose yourself to new experiences to build confidence. Embrace uncertainty. View challenges as opportunities rather than threats. Reflect on missed opportunities. Use past regrets as motivation to take action now. 7. Money can't buy true fulfillment. The overlooked truth. While financial security is essential, people often prioritize material wealth at the expense of happiness, relationships, and personal values. Why it's often realized too late. Many individuals achieve financial success only to find that it doesn't fulfill their expectations. How to apply this lesson. Focus on purpose. Align your career and financial goals with your passions and values. Spend wisely. Invest in experiences and relationships, rather than material possessions. Define success on your terms. Don't let societal pressure dictate your priorities. 8. Self-worth comes from within. The overlooked truth. Many people tie their self-worth to external validation, accomplishments, appearance, or others' opinions. This leads to a cycle of chasing approval and feeling unfulfilled. Why it's often realized too late. After years of trying to meet external expectations, people often reach a breaking point, realizing they've neglected their authentic selves. How to apply this lesson. Practice self-acceptance. Recognize your inherent worth regardless of achievements. Set personal standards. Define success and happiness based on what matters to you. Detach from criticism, learn to separate constructive feedback from negative judgments. 9. Change is inevitable, and that's okay. The overlooked truth. We often resist change, clinging to the familiar even when it no longer serves us. However, change is a constant and necessary part of growth. Why it's often realized too late. Many realize the benefits of change only after being forced into it by circumstances beyond their control. How to apply this lesson. Embrace flexibility. Be open to new opportunities and perspectives. Focus on adaptability. Develop skills that help you thrive in changing environments. View change as growth. Treat every transition as a chance to evolve and improve. 10. Gratitude multiplies joy. The overlooked truth. We often focus on what's missing or what could be better, overlooking the blessings we already have. Gratitude is a simple but powerful way to shift this perspective. Why it's often realized too late. People often wish they had appreciated moments or people more after they're gone. How to apply this lesson. Start a gratitude journal. Write down 3 daily things you're grateful for. Express appreciation. Tell the people in your life how much they mean to you. Focus on the present. Notice and savor the small joys in daily life. How to apply this lesson. Seek help early. Don't hesitate to consult a therapist or counselor if needed. Practice mindfulness. Engage in activities that reduce stress and improve focus, like meditation or yoga. Set boundaries. Protect your mental space by limiting toxic influences and overcommitment. 12. Life is short. Live it fully. The overlooked truth. Many live like they have unlimited time, delaying dreams, adventures, and essential conversations until later. Why it's often realized too late. The realization often comes after a significant loss or a reminder of life's fragility, leaving people wishing they had done more. How to apply this lesson. Pursue your passions. Don't wait for the right time to chase your dreams. Take risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone to experience life fully. Cherish every moment. Treat each day as a gift and make the most of it. Conclusion. The most valuable life lessons are often learned too late because we take the present moment for granted, underestimate the impact of small choices, or avoid facing uncomfortable truths. However, by recognizing and applying these insights now, you can create a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and joy. Life's greatest regrets often stem from what we didn't do rather than what we did. Start living intentionally today. Invest in your relationships, prioritize your health, embrace change, and pursue what truly matters. By doing so, you'll avoid future regrets and build a life worth celebrating. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.